So now in this video we'll learn how to divide a line. So line can be divided into n number of equal parts. So you have to draw the line with specific distance with the starting point, let us say this one, and here from here you can draw a horizontal or vertical line. Okay, so for that you have to make ortho on, it should be on because you want to draw a straight line. Okay, so I have just made it ortho on, or you can press F8 for the short command. Okay, now let us say the distance is we are mentioning as 100. Okay, so this is a line, straight line with a distance of 100. You can measure from this end to this end, and it's specifically mentioning as 100. And you can mention the like what alphabets like A, and again so AB is a line. So now you have to select how many parts you want to divide. Okay, so for the given problem, let us say I want to divide this into 10 parts. Okay, the commands will be divide, enter divide, then the first option you have to select divide or press F1. Okay, F1 or divide, shortcut will be F1 from the function keyboard, and you have to select the object. Okay, so it's asking about enter the number of segments, means how many parts you want to divide. Say I want to divide by 10, enter. Now it is divided into 10 parts but invisible here because we have not selected the point type. So enter P type as a comment, the first one P type. Then here are the different logos. Then this is the size. If you want, you can increase or you can reduce. Let us make as 4. So yes, this is divided into 10 equal parts now. Okay, so you can customize this again by changing their colors and also the layer thickness, everything like this you can change, and you can change the dimension of the okay. So in this way we can divide of any line, even if it is known or unknown distance, that we can divide as per the requirement. And thank you for watching.